This is the stove I use to make smoke bombs. It's an older style Coleman stove that runs on white gas, which, because of this stove's popularity, is often known as Coleman fuel. It's been working pretty good, and about as well as the newer style propane stoves. But one thing that I noticed the last time I was using it was that this valve was leaking some. There's an occasional drip of gasoline coming out, which I don't want because it's wasting gasoline, and when I was making it in a semi-enclosed space, it really stunk up the area. Before starting the investigation of the leak, we emptied the fuel from the tank. We then pressurized the tank and added soapy water to the area of the stove which I had observed the leak from. We saw a potential point of leakage outlined by bubbles. We then took apart the area where the leak was observed and applied Teflon tape to the threads in that location. We also applied Teflon tape on a nearby threaded area because we had exposed it and there was the potential that that was the source of the leak. We then put the valve assembly back together, returning it to the approximate position it started in. My father did most of the actual work. It only really needed one person, so my help was not needed. However, if it starts to leak again, I will know how to fix it. A leak test with soapy water resulted in none observed. Fuel was replaced and it's ready to go again. After the fixes, the stove isn't leaking anymore, which means it worked. So I'm not sure, because this Teflon tape, I'm not sure how long that is going to last in its place. It isn't really the best thing for a frequently turned knob, but it isn't that hard to put some more in, or we can use something else.